Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. See you again on the UseMT channel. This time we will learn how to modify applications using Smali bytecode editing. So you will see how to reverse engineer an APK, read Smali code, and change the logic of the application according to what we want. In this video we will use MT Manager and have a step-by-step tutorial starting from extracting the APK, navigating to the Smali folder, to recompiling the application. Everything is explained in detail so you can follow along. So make sure you have subscribed and activated notifications so you don't miss the next tutorials. Let's just get started.